Hi, after almost 3 years, I am finally back with a real time IoT project. This is not just a sensor demo. This is a complete soil moisture monitoring system with a live dashboard, modern UI, and even auto device access using a capacitive portal. Let's build it. Hi, I am Bhupender Singh from SME Dehradun. We designed and develop IoT systems, industrial prototypes, and custom electronics products for startups and companies. In today's video, I will show you how to build a smart soil moisture monitoring system using NuttyFi32 board. For this project, we are using NuttyFi32 development board, low cost capacitive soil moisture sensor. The sensor includes an amplifier module. However, it is not suitable for reliable industrial use and does not provide consistent readings. Therefore, we designed our own custom board. You can also use a standard ESP32 board, but Notify makes integration easier because it provides multiple 5 volt and ground pins for connecting multiple sensors, and the power supply is really stable. Now let's look at the connections. The wiring is quite simple. First, connect the soil sensor to the custom interfacing board. Then connect the VCC pin to 5 volt, the ground pin to ground, and finally connect the sensor output to GPIO 34, which is an ADC pin. That's it. Just 3 connections. Now let's move to the coding part. I have provided the complete code on my GitHub page. The link is in the description. So from here, just copy the code, open the Arduino IDE and paste it. In the code, you can also modify the Wi-Fi name and password from here. The code reads analog values, convert them into percentage, and serves a live web dashboard. The best part is the dashboard updates in real time without refreshing the page. We also added a plant-based visual indicator so even non-technical users can easily understand the moisture level. Now let's set the things up step by step. First, we need to connect the board. Go to the tools, then board, and from the list choose NuttyFi32. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry, the installation link is provided in the description. And if you are using an ESP32 board, that's perfectly fine too. This code will work with it as well. Now let's compile the code. Let's click on the verify button and you can see the compilation is successful. Next, connect your board to the computer using a USB cable. Go to tools, then port, and select the appropriate COM port. It might be different on your system, so just choose the one that appears when you plug in the board. If you face any issue with the COM port, I have added a troubleshooting guide and installation link in the description to help you out. Alright, now let's upload the code to NuttyFi32. As you can see, the code is uploading and done. Now go to your Wi-Fi setting and you will see a network named SME plant monitoring. Connect to it using the password 1234567 8. Once connected, the capacitive portal opens automatically and you can see the live data from the soil sensor. We have also included our information in the dashboard. If you prefer to remove it, you can either edit that section in the code or delete it entirely and re-upload the code. Now let's see the live demonstration. Here's the live dashboard, and the best part is it works without any internet connection in local. As the sensor value changes, you can see the moisture percentage updating in real time along with the plant visual indicator responding accordingly. And it's fully responsive, so you can access it from any device, whether it's your mobile, laptop or tablet. This kind of system can be used in smart irrigation system, greenhouses, agriculture monitoring and industrial automation. And this is just a basic version. It can be extended with automation, pump control and cloud integration. If you are working on a product or have any startup idea or need a custom IoT solution, we can help you design and develop from scratch. You can directly contact us. The full code is available on the GitHub, link in the description. Also follow me on GitHub for more updates. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.